Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2014 Volvo XC90. It's a 2.4 diesel and comes with 12 months warranty. The NCT is until the end of February 2022. It's been fully serviced in our own workshop and we fitted 4 new tyres. Our cars come with 12 months warranty, which may be extended up to 2 years if required. We have freshly valeted this car and it has leather seats, and there's no doubt Volvo does have really good quality leather. This Volvo also has climate control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, heated seats and parking sensors. Finance is available and may be applied for on our website ultimatecars.ie. Finance is available over 3, 4 or 5 years with a low APR from just 6.9%. We are located on Colleen Road, Dublin 10. We are readily found on Google Maps, but please call prior to coming to view. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.